Hey guys, Shazad here. Hope everybody's well. So today we'll be unboxing. It's like a budget soundbar, in like $50, £50 mid range. So it is similar to Creative or equivalent of like Creative Sound Blaster's GS3, and both are around £50. The main difference of this one is while the Creative GS3 has RGB at the bottom, and then on the peak audio on that it has two speakers, which is 2.4. Similarly has USB-C, USB-C, aux, and the Bluetooth, while this one also has almost same features, but it lacks the RGB, which is really needed for the gaming. So this one, but the main difference on this one is one that the peak volume on the power on this one is 120 watts. So, and because it has like a subwoofer, even like a tiny one, it does have that. So it is the Solo B30 model from them. I have already done the unboxing on the Creative GS3 as well, which will be posted soon. So okay, this one. So this is the Solo B3 Pro model. It has its own app which you can use to set up the different presets. Okay, so this one is a bit bigger in size compared to the GS3 Blaster. I don't have that with me. Okay, let's see. So okay, so this is a 14-inch tablet. So as you can see, it is almost like 15 to 16 inches. It's not that big. Let's see. Okay, so it has a status here, the channel types which you're connecting, and then the status of the device itself. So it has PCM. Okay. So if you look at the back, the power, the aux cable, the optical cable, which nobody uses, not everybody. Then the sub out. So apparently you can connect an external sub with it as well. I'm not sure if this one is just for the sound or just volume, or maybe to like a stand. Okay, yeah. So this is the subwoofer and the sub out. Anyways, the main speakers are here. So because it has a subwoofer and it is 120 watts, so it should be decent in sound. Okay, let's see what's included. If you, because like the Creative GS3 has a sound mode, sorry, gaming mode, and has a RGB. Sorry, that has like a wide mode you can use, but just depends on you. Yeah, we won't be using that. So mainly you will be connecting via the cable itself, the aux cable, or the second mode, which will be the Bluetooth. Okay, so you get a power adapter. So it's a barrel type plain charger, so it should be okay. The wattage, yeah, 33. Okay. Okay, so it does have its own stand as well. If you want to do the wall mount, that's good. The aux cable, yeah, and these are the stands for that. I think the way you're gonna stand on the, yeah, I think that's what I think. It's for the mount. I might be mistaken. I don't know. I don't know how you're gonna wall mount it. Okay. Anyways, so if you look at the back, it has some rubber grooves. So if you're leaving it on your table, it won't sort of impact that much because of the rubber. So it should muffle the sound. There's a small speaker. So these the ones. I will create a new video for this because I need to install it onto my monitor, and I'm gonna test it today, and I will create a video for that. Hopefully should be okay. I might create another one or might add into this video, but if that's it, hope everybody's having a good day. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.